Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I will explain you. So I revised my strategy and I decided to return back to the trading. But how I will do it and how I will avoid another liquidation, I got already two this year. So you will listen further. Let's start. As you know, I was, if you're following my channel, so if you're not yet, please put like and subscribe. So I'm was liquidated in the beginning of June when on the big drawdown. Let me show you where it actually happens. Yeah, on my graphs. Yeah, you see somewhere here when Solana, I'm trading Solana. Solana price goes down for $60, and it was a big drawdown. You see there is a marks of my entries, so it's something from 85, 86. It goes down to the $60, and I got liquidated. So then I take pause. I didn't trade almost for the full June, and I thinking how I can tune strategy, So first, why it was liquidation? Yeah, liquidated. I'm because of I'm using leverage. Yeah, everybody who is trading futures using the leverage, and on the leverage, even I am trying to be very conservative in the leverage. My leverage was 3 when I was liquidated. But you see, price drawdown was bigger than 30%. And it kills me once again. First time, it kills me in the beginning of February when it was also big price drawdown. And it was almost the same situation. Then I take pause, then I trade, I return back with a different strategy. I start to use AI for entry point, etc. And you see it works somehow. So from March until the June it works, but then again big drawdown and I get liquidation, the second liquidation. So that's like cold shower, and always, I mean, it's not the pleasure to get liquidation. If you get liquidation, so put your comments, give me your story when, maybe not when, but how many times were you liquidate during this year, yeah? Because for me, it's already second liquidation in 2026. As I say, even I'm trading on conservative and leverage 3, it doesn't help. And I think, so what I could change, in fact, in my strategy for avoid liquidation, because I'm doing the copy trading. So means it's frustrating when my investors, if there will be investors, they will be get liquidations, yeah. And I analyze, so what was the reason? And I came to the point that the main reason of liquidation is leverage. Leverage. So whatever leverage you use, 3, 5, 10, it's just question of time when you got liquidation on the crypto. Because crypto movement, if you look on the history of ticks, etc., so crypto movement is quite high. It can go 10%, 15% during the day. And which is a big difference with stock exchange, where movement 10% it could happen for several months or weeks, yeah. In crypto, it's a question of days, and sometimes even question of hours, like big panics, etc. Like, on this week, Bitcoin goes down below 59, and it's a huge collapse again on the all markets. And I'm thinking how I can protect myself against it, yeah. And then I come to the point that the only way to trade on the crypto without liquidation is to trade as a spot trader, means without any leverage. So you see, I put as a leverage 1 here, and it's what I going to test. So means I will return back for the trading, and I will do all the same strategy. So means I will use my AI advisor, and I will use those EMEA average entry from liquidity pools, etc. How I did, but I will use leverage 1. So means on leverage 1, for example, if I open position for Solana, I would be never liquidated until I got price Solana 0, yeah. And hopefully, you never knows what will happen, but hopefully it would be not happens never again. So this is my updated approach and strategy which I'm going to test. As I say, from between my previous liquidation, next one, it came from February to June, it came, let's say, 4 months. Yeah. And strategy survived like 3-4 months. It's what I test different strategy already within the 2 years of my crypto trading journal, and nothing was always ending the same, always getting the liquidation. Even you put stop losses, etc., so it will consume your deposit, and maybe you got not good liquidation, but you will kill your deposit, yeah, by entries. So my next approach it would be I decide to do not use any leverage, because you see crypto now in a very volatile stage. If you look on the 4 hours graphs, you can see that it's like fluctuating and moving plus minus like 5-10% is easily, yeah. It's easily moving like from 60 to 70, from 70, like if you look, for example, yesterday it goes up to 70, and now it's like moving, it's rise from 64 to 70, it's 10% movement. Now it's going down back to 67, 68, so it means it's another 5%. So means with such volatility to get like 30-40% per month, this is my goal. You do not really need the leverage. Yeah, leverage, of course, is like greedy. Oh, okay, I will leverage, I will put less money and get more gain. But finally, no, you do not get any gain. Yeah, whatever you gain, you destroy within the 1 or 2 hours. So this is my learning from the situation, and what I would like to share with you. So I'm starting my new concept testing. So means I will again fill up my deposit and I will start to open my trades. So you can follow my trades in my Telegram channel where I'm doing daily update, and also I will do have video recording on YouTube, like I will explain where is my entry and etc. And let's continue to keep crypto trading journal. Let's track what will be the result on the spot approach, means trading without leverage. Let's see if it will be profitable or not. And of course, I will not be able to destroy deposit, just what I expect on the big drawdowns and on wrong entries. It could take some time to close the deal on break even or in positive. You know, I am hating the stop losses. It might be my mistake, but on the crypto stop losses, it's the same like leverage. Yeah, they're always killing you. So yes, I'm starting my journey. Subscribe to my Telegram channel if you are interested to see daily updates about my trades, entry points, etc. Okay, put likes for this video, stay with me, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all the profits.